We now request Sri Ranjit Reddy Garu to declare the year-long Silver Jubilee celebrations and to kindly address the gathering.
I am the Member of Parliament. I am Dr. Ranjit Reddy. I am the local Member of Parliament. When she said it is Chevella, this area also comes under Chevella. So I am part of your family. Please consider me also as your family. So when she has introduced me that I was born in Warangal, honestly I am telling you, I finished my schooling in Warangal. And right from those days, because P.V. Narasimha Rao Mottam family was from Warangal. So we knew only one politician and one family of politics, that was P.V. Narasimha Rao. So right from then, those days I was associated with this family, though they don't recognize me or remember me during those days. But the way I was bonded with Vani Akka during her election, I was so happy canvassing for her, and I was really jubilant when she has won the election. And I was told by her during the canvassing days also that all the alumni of this college were canvassing for her. I thank all the students, the alumni of this college for supporting our party and our candidate Vani Devi Akka. I really congratulate all the students, the management, the teaching professions on this day, because I know how important it is to celebrate a 25th year for a college. Because I also run a few educational institutions, and this is a remarkable achievement, the management, me andarki, and the entire management also. Because to be in one profession, whatever profession it may be, when you celebrate 25 years in the same profession, especially running a college, I know how difficult it is to run a college. I know how difficult it is to handle the students. Because even we were students during our college days. When I have seen that SVCA, I have finished my post-graduation from Agriculture University, Rajendra Nagar, and then it was called as Andhra Pradesh Agriculture University, APAU అనేవాళ్ళప్పుడు. కానీ స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అగ్రికల్చర్ యూనివర్సిటీ అనుకుంటా ఆడుతూ పాడుతూ ఆనందంగా ఉండాలని చెప్పి మేము అల్లరి చేసేవాళ్ళం. So that was the feel. I know how difficult it is for the management to address to take care of the students. So I really congratulate the entire team on this happy occasion day. When it comes to architects, I really know, because most of the students, when you go around in this city, because this is a happening part of the city, the western part of the city, all the development is happening on this side. When you see the beautiful buildings, everyone's mind will definitely go remembering the architect. Because we all know the architects are gods for the buildings, their tools are in the designs and structures. We feel so happy when you see some new designs. I was really impressed when I've seen ITC Kohinoor also. The buildings which leave a cherishable this thing in your mind, they are really applaudable. And I know how difficult the profession of architect is, because it is not that you can turn the page and learn a few things in the architecture. You should always keep thinking of new things, and the old designs which are copied also, everyone will be talking on that. So I request all the architects to please update yourself, and the way you keep updating, you will definitely prosper in your profession. I have seen one famous quote of an American architect. I think his name was Laird White. I don't know how famous it was, but I read in some place. He has mixed both the professions of medical and architecture. Because I am from medical profession, I had some interest in that. He has said the doctors can bury their mistakes, whereas an architect can only advise his clients to plant vines. So, I am really happy for that. Because when you look into the architecture of this country, the heritage of architecture, what we have, the old Harappan Kani, Indus Valley Kani, and the beautiful temples, what we have from the Hindu temples, or let it be Islamic mosques also, the structures which were constructed hundreds of years back, still they represent what all the architect could do during those times when he was only chiseling with his hands. We know how difficult it is to chisel a small structure now. When you go to a temple, when you go to a mosque, the structures what we see on them are really remarkable, are really applaudable. You go to Khajuraho temple, you go to Ajanta, you know the paintings what they have. This college also has the painting course also, I was told. So ekkadiki poyina, you go to Tamil Nadu, you go to Gujarat, a few places, Khajuraho, itlante paintings anni chustunte, it only represents the efficiency of an architect. But one thing I really would want to tell the management, the teaching professions and the students also, The way we are remembered for the old architecture, we are not known for the modern architecture. I am sorry to say that, because we have not coped up with the world, the western side. I had been to South Africa, Vancouver City in the Canada, and also in South Africa also the buildings what I have seen, I don't think the structures what they are constructed about 20-30 years back, we still could make to that level. I think maybe you are coping up now, but I request all the architects, the students of this college to please gear up, pull up the socks. You should not replicate what the other architects have done. And we have to really gear up in the modern architecture. So congratulating once again. What I say is this is definitely a momentous day, happy occasion. You please cherish the day. And once we leave, I think you can really enjoy it. And I really congratulate the management once again. And all the gold medalists who have won the PV Narasimha gold medal. And I congratulate for releasing the magazine also. Good luck. God bless you all. Thank you.